Hello, welcome. Today I have another ink sample review for you. This one's by Stipula and it's called Purple. We're just going to do a quick swatch of that. And this is a really pretty vibrant purple. I'm going to do some swirls here. And I'll just put a little bit more, trying not to overdo it, but a little more down here. There we go. All right, purple. Okay, and that's how that looks. I'm going to go ahead and put this under a fan to dry. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. So let's go ahead and try this on some copy paper. I like to test these inks out on copy paper because sometimes you're going to be somewhere where you don't have access to your nicer papers. Maybe you're at work or school and you just want to know if the ink's going to behave. And since I have more than one that's called purple, I want to write the name here. There we go. That's how that looks so far. I'm going to go ahead and set that aside. And here is some HP 32. And this is copy paper also, but it typically shows off the different properties in the ink because it has a really smooth surface. So it's a much higher quality copy paper. And it's a really good budget-friendly, middle-of-the-road type option. And if you have any colors that you would like to see me review, if you leave a suggestion, if I have the ink or if I can get it, then we'll make a video for you. There we go. That's how that looks so far. We'll come back and look at all these when they're dry. And this is Tomoe River paper, and Tomoe River is a very nice smooth paper that shows off the properties of the ink really, really well. So I always like to do reviews with it. And if these videos are helpful to you at all, or if you enjoy watching them, don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you can see more. And it also helps me out a lot. Okay, here's how it looks on that. I'm going to check on the swatch and see if it's dry. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. So here's how these look. It's really pretty on the copy paper. I'm not really seeing any feathering. It's a very pretty purple color. Kind of like a youthful, happy, well-saturated, very nice color. And then on the HP 32, it's really pretty and vibrant also. It's a little bit more saturated here than it is on the copy paper, but not by much. It's very nice on both papers. And on here you can see a little bit of shading in certain parts, so if you like a purple with some shading, this might be a good option for you. And then this is the Tomoe River paper, and here you can see the shading is a little bit more pronounced, and you can see it in the, oopsie, didn't mean to move that, but you can see it in the writing as well, and it's a little bit more dramatic from the lighter purple to the darker purple. I'm going to show you a little bit closer what this looks like. So very, very pretty. I'm going to show you the swatch. So here you can see it's a very pretty purple. You can see the shading in the darker areas here, and it's really nice. It has this beautiful like lighter purple around the edge here where I didn't put down too much ink. It's almost a dark pink, like a very pinky purple, and then the darker color is the purple. So it's a really pretty nice purple. If I can find a link to this, I'll leave it down below for you, and thank you so much for watching. You have a great day.